Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine and preparing for the contest. In this video, I'm going to explain you some questions. For better understanding, please open the resource book which has already been given to you. Students, we will discuss question number 76 to question number 100 in this video. So let's start. Question number 76 is a straight line passing from the center of the circle touching at 2 points on the curve of the circle is called, and the options are A is boundary, B is radius, C is diameter, and the option D is point. Students, you can see from the picture that diameter is a straight line that is passing from the center of the circle touching at 2 points on the curve of the circle. Question number 77 is 1 meter is equal to dash, and the options are A is 100 centimeter, B is 100 meter, C is 1000 meter, and option D is 1 over 100 centimeter. In this question, students, you have to keep in mind that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So the correct option is 100 centimeter. Now come to the question number 78, which is 1 kilometer is equal to dash, and the options are A is 10 meter, B is 100 centimeter, C is 1000 meter, and the D is 10,000 centimeter. In this question, the correct option is 1000 meters. You have to keep in mind that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Question number 79 is 250 centimeter is equal to dash meter, and the options are A is 25, B is 2.5, C is 2500, D is 0.250. Students, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So 250 centimeter is equal to 250 divided by 100 meter, and the answer is 2.5. So the correct option is 2.5. Question number 80 is 1 by 4 kilometer is equal to dash meter. Four options are given. A is 25, B is 2.5, C is 2500, and D is 250. Students, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1 by 4 kilometer is equal to 1000 by 4 meter, which is equal to 250 meters. So the correct option is 250 meter. Question number 81 is the length of a coffee table to the nearest tens is dash centimeter if its exact length is 120 centimeter. And the options are A is 76, B is 67, C is 70, and the D option is 100. If we check the options, 100 is nearest to 120 centimeter, so the correct option is D, which is 100 centimeter. Question number 82 is the total length of a closed 2D shape is called its, and the options are A is perimeter, B is R, C is volume, and D is mass. Now we will know that what is perimeter. A perimeter is the total length of sides of a 2D shape, and the volume is the quantity of 3D shape enclosed by a closed surface. And what is mass? A mass is the measure of how much matter is an object. So the correct option is perimeter. Number 83 is a 2D shape having all sides and angles are same is called, and options are A is regular, B is irregular, C is open, and D is closed. First we see that what are regular and what are irregular shapes. In irregular shapes all the sides and angles are not equal, and in regular shape all the sides and angles are equal. So the correct option is regular.